What's the meaning of asbestosis? Asbestosis. Asbestosis.
Asbestosis. Asbestosis. Asbestosis is a serious lung condition caused by long-term exposure to asbestos fibers. When inhaled, these tiny fibers can get lodged in the lungs and cause scarring, which makes it difficult for the lungs to expand and contract properly. This can lead to shortness of breath, coughing, fatigue, and chest pain. Over time, asbestosis can progress and cause respiratory failure or even death. Unfortunately, there is no cure for asbestosis, and treatment focuses on managing symptoms and preventing further damage to the lungs.